Hello guys, my name is Wilson Chola. I'm a piece of art and engineering specifically designed to do marvelous things in a marvelous way. And today I'm going to show you one of the DIYP. Yes, that's the short form of do it yourself project, and I call it my home. And let's get started. Okay, let's get started. Let me open the app. Yes, the app responsible for everything. Yes, okay. My home, a new way to be in control. My home is an automation system built to control and let you know what's happening at a glance. What's happening at your home at a glance. It can control more than 4 electrical gadgets using IoT, Internet of Things technology, meaning you can control them remotely if you're connected to the internet. Version 1.0.1 developed by Wilson Chola. Copyright 2021. Okay, this is the device, this is the control interface for controlling lights, and this is the kit responsible for turning the lights on and off based on whatever we are doing on the app here. So here I have three, as you can see on the app, we have three configured lights, and the first one is here, which is my sitting room light. The second one is here, my kitchen light. Yes. And the third one is there, my security light. So let me control them remotely using the app I have on the phone. Let's get started. Okay, let's start with this one here, with our kitchen light. Not kitchen light, my sitting room light. So let me turn it on. Boom, it's on. Yes, off. Off. Yes, let me turn it on again. Yes, it's on, and let me leave it in this stage, and we go to key. So let me control this one here. It's my kitchen light. Okay, so let me turn it on. Yes, boom, it's on. Let me turn it off. Boom, it's off. And let me leave it on. Yes, it's on. Yes, let me proceed to security, the security light. Okay, now we are the only light left is now is this one, and this is the security light. Let me turn it on. Boom, it's on. Let me turn it off. Boom, it's off. On, off. Something incredible, guys. Hoo, thank you for watching. My home, a new way to a new way to be in control, and you saw the way, and it's incredible, guys. In case you want something like this, I'm gonna build it for you. And remember, guys, everything is custom made. Even the app is custom made.